All right, let's get the Diggz Xenon 4K build on your Kodi. Here's your complete step-by-step guide. First off, what's a Kodi build? Well, it's basically a total makeover for Kodi, all in one easy package. Okay, part 1, preparing Kodi. We've got to get things ready before we install anything. This first step's crucial. In Kodi's settings, head to System and enable Unknown Sources. You'll have to do this for any third-party build.
Next up, part 2, installing the repository. This is where the build files are actually stored, so it's important.
So, head back to the System page. From there, open up the File Manager and click on Add Source. Now, you're going to carefully type this URL into the path box. Make sure it's typed exactly like you see it.
Go ahead and name the source Diggz repo so it's easy to find later, then just hit OK.
Okay, part 3, installing the wizard. Now that the source is added, we can install the Chef Omega wizard. All right, go back to the System screen. This time, select Add-ons and then choose Install from Zip file. Just find that Diggz repo source we just made and then click on the zip file that's right inside. Just wait a second, and there it is. You'll get a little notification confirming the repository is installed. Okay, now we're going to select Install from Repository and then choose the Diggz repository we just added. Inside there, go to Program Add-ons, find the Chef Omega wizard, and then just click Install. After it installs, you'll see a prompt. Just click Yes on that to open up the build menu. In the menu, find Diggz Xenon 4K and click Continue. Now you just gotta wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, it'll ask to force close Kodi. Go ahead and click OK to let it happen. Now just relaunch Kodi. The very first time it loads up, it might take a minute, so be patient. All right, we're on to part 4, the Setup Wizard. This is where you really make the build your own. Step 1 is installing add-ons. The wizard will give you a list, and you can just pick whichever ones you want. Next up, you'll want to link services like your Debrid and Tract accounts. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And for the final step, you get to pick your skin. Browse through the styles and apply your favorite one. So, this brings up a pretty important question. Is a build like this even legal? Let's talk about that. Now here's the bottom line. At the end of the day, you're the one responsible for what you access.